Hello, this is Sandra. Hi, Sandra.
Hi, Chris.
Hi. Sandra's had one of our garden designs, and then we've helped her lay out the garden, and she's planted it herself. And here's the garden, about 3 months down the track? And it's a rather interesting mixture of plants. How you feel about it? What's happening here?
We bought this house about 2 years ago, and it had a very overgrown, old-style, boring, water-hungry garden. After a couple of summers, we decided that the cost of watering just had to go. So we decided to pull it out, and then we contacted Chris, and we asked Chris if he'd come up and have a look, and then work out a design, and he asked us what sort of plants or what appearance we wanted, and we basically said that we wanted something that's low maintenance, very little water, but that it had a really interesting appeal. Different shapes, different types of leaves, colours, something that is different to all the other gardens in the area. Chris came up with this wonderful design. He chose the plants. He told us where to plant them 2-3 months after planting, and we still have people going past, and when they see us sitting up there admiring our garden, they wave to us. We wave to them and they say, "Love your garden, looks great." Always been giving beautiful comments about how interesting it is and how different, and they love the colour. It's just becoming even more beautiful. As plants develop and grow, we just absolutely love it. We think he's done a fantastic job.
One of the things I had to do was that you've got a beautiful view of the lake out there. So what I've done is I've chosen plants that are either skinny or plants that are low-lying. And basically when you sit up on the porch there and you look out, this kind of frames the view of the lake, doesn't it? You're looking across all these beautiful colours to the lake. And that was kind of my idea, was keeping it low and keeping your view there.
Just wonderful.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Great job. Thank you.